I'm going to show you how I pressure test and vacuum test a 562XP. First off, I plug everything at the carb. It's X torque, so it has the takes on the bottom. I use this. This comes from the Mighty Vac kit. 1, 2, and I guess 1, 2, and then you get this other little plug for the impulse. And this is just a wind stopper. And then 2 layers of inner tube there. The back side of that muffler's got a sharp edge to it, and it cuts through the rubber, so you need the 2. So I also have this adapter that comes with the Mighty Vac compression kit. Goes right there. Okay, I found it. See that thread? That's pretty small. So take a special adapter. This is from an old compression kit, testing kit. Schrader valve taken out, and then hook it to the Mighty Vac. Show you some vacuum. I have to hold my finger on the line plug on pressure. Vacuum's pretty good. I'll flip it here in a second to pressure. Okay, I took my hand off the camera here so I could hold on to the line stopper. Doing a pressure test, a little bit high, but it's holding pretty good. So I put new seals in this saw about a month ago, and saw came back to me and its compression was about 50 pounds. So I wanted to make sure that it's passing the pressure and vacuum test, and then figure out why the compression's so low. There, that wants to push out, and then pressure's down. So that's how I pressure vacuum test a 562.